Hi friends, I'm going to put together a 7-piece dining set, dining table with benches that we receive for viewing purposes. It's convenient, you receive it in 2 different boxes. One box has all the table, the instruction manual, how to put it together, and one box with all the chairs. So let's put everything together and see how convenient and easy to use it is for places with small spaces to put furniture like this. All the accessories that you need to put it together come in really useful leather bags, so instructions are easy to follow. Now it is ready. As you can see, it is a 63 inches by 28 inches dining table. It has these 6 stools, so you can sit down and use the table. You can use it to have it in your kitchen, in your dining room, in a playroom, in a small cafeteria, maybe in your office. Anywhere where you have a small space and you need a table to sit down, to have a small meeting, your meals, whatever. Also, remember, you can connect it, plug it in to an electric outlet, and you will have 2 electric outlets and 2 USB-A ports directly in the table, and that makes it really convenient because you don't have to be looking for outlets everywhere. Also, remember, you can make it smaller. You get rid of this middle section. You even have a place to put it here, there, and you close it again, and now you have not a 63, but a 47 by 28 inches table. So if you need a table that can be 63 or 47 inches long and you have a small place, this is a great option. Thank you so much. I'm going to make it 63 inches again. Really easy. That's it. 63 inches again. Perfect. Thank you so much.